What?
You know what adhere means?
I didn't even. That's a word? I thought you were trying to say something.
Adhere, like adhesive, it means to adhere, to put together, to.
Why are you trying to sound
together?
smart right now? Just say stick. I didn't understand what you were saying.
Do you want to attach? Do you want to assemble this part so we can screw it in and it's already in place? Yes or no?
No, I know you read a dictionary. Right? Why you didn't say that? Like,
baby, you know I don't pull out when we loving, touching and kissing and licking. No, it's leaving your panties or something now. In my car, in my crib, I'm shining with this gold grill. I could give a what how you feel. That booty and them tattoos on the rim. Take a ride in my block, my hood.
oh.
So I've been wearing this hair for a while now, and yeah, you guys always been asking me on my Instagram because that's where I've been posting since I haven't really been on YouTube as of lately. So yeah, this is literally from SUNBER hair. I really like it. It's very natural looking. It blends in with my hair beautifully. So here is the package that I received the hair in, and you guys seen me do this promotion before and review this hair. It's not a stranger to the channel. I've been basically wearing this hair for about like 2 to 3 years now on my channel. So yeah, I really do like their quality of hair. It's very high quality. It's human grade hair. I mean, it is human hair. You can color, style, curl, you know. I really like it. I do have leave out, and yeah, it looks so nice and beautiful. I really like it. It holds the curl beautifully. The ends look very full and natural, and I really like the length on me as well. So let me know your thoughts. I'll have the link down below. I really love this hair. Oh my gosh. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know. Since I already kind of know your thoughts on Instagram, I just want to ask YouTube how you guys love this hair. So if you guys want to check out Ali SUNBER Hair Company, I'll have the links down below. They have amazing different hair textures, length, hair quality. Like, it's amazing. I really like it. I highly recommend it to anybody who wants to get their hair and slayed like mine. Like, I am slaying my mommy pregnancy with this hair, and I love it. It just gives me life and puts me together and just makes me feel like so glam and upkept. So yeah, I really love this hair, you guys. It's just amazing. Like, whew. And I barely have to curl it. Like, I curl my hair like once a week, twice, once every 2 weeks sometimes. If I really like that loose, like, woke up bed hair look, it holds the curl very much beautifully. I do like a light hairspray. I don't really like to put hairspray in my hair, just to keep up with the quality of the hair, just so the hair can be preserved for a very long time. This hair can last up for 3 to 4 years depending on how well you take care of your hair. I take care of my hair really nice. Like, I just put my hair in a bun while I go to sleep, and that's about it. So yeah, I really love it. So check it out in the description box down below, and yeah, happy shopping. What's up, MG gang? Welcome back. It's your favorite high school sweethearts and BRYSON here. What's going on, and welcome back to our channel. If you aren't a part of the MG gang, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below your age. I would love to know your age and everyone's demographic down below, just so I know, like, you know, the age range of our viewers. First off, we're going to be assembling the baby stuff. I want to start assembling stuff now because the nursery is coming next week, within a week and a half. So we have a wardrobe, we have nursery chair, the nursing table, the dresser, the crib. We got a bassinet coming, like everything. I just want everything to be constructed, so we're not like piling up other stuff, because we're gonna be building that stuff together too. It doesn't come already made, I don't think. It's like IKEA. You know how we go to IKEA and you spending 6 hours building stuff? Been there, done that. Don't like that, but it's kind of fun. It's therapeutic, but since the person that the last thing you build was like 4 years ago when I first got my IKEA dressers at my mom's house, and you assembled those. When's the last time you built?
You don't know my life, girl.
Like, I've been with you 24/7. Like, what else have you built?
I built stuff. Just because I can't name off the top of my head, it's like I built stuff.
The only thing he has been building is his social media. That's the only thing I've seen you build. I haven't seen you build anything physically. Like, come along with us. Come on, vamonos. Everybody, let's go. Okay. Bracy, you want to be a part of this too? Yes, you do. Because we're not going to leave you left out. When your brother and sister come, you're a part of the family. Your brother and sister going to be your best friend. And you probably don't even want us no more. You want your brother and sister. All right, come on, take this out. All right. Okay. This build, babe. Alright, so, Bryson! No, Bracy, no.
No.
Bracy, no. No, Bracy, no. You know, he tried to grab that teddy bear that was in there too. I'm like, no, that's for the baby. It's for the baby.
If I only had the power of Flash.
And it would still be messed up. Because you brush things. Literally. Oh. What? We haven't done this song. I forgot it. Oh my god. What is it? Wait, what is it?
I don't know.
We gotta look at our old videos to figure it out. Oh my god.
Where are you going?
Oh yeah. Okay. Wait, so that stays flat right there.
Jesus.
No, hold on.
What you doing?
Hey, are you sure that's how it goes? You sure you don't match this?
What? What are you doing? What are you doing?
When you put it in, you matched it up to go here, right?
How about you?
Pregnancy brain, shut up, go ahead. It was pregnancy brain, that was really pregnancy brain. I was wondering how it was that I didn't know. Go ahead. There you go. Right? Or do you think it's another extender part?
We in there, B. It's on a B. We did. We did. Son.
High five, son. High five.
Alright, sit. Good boy. Sit.
Alright, lay down. Lay down. Lay down,
Nah,
B.
I ain't say that.
Alright,
I
cool,
said sit.
Alright,
Don't
say
listen.
sit. It looks like the same part that happened on the end.
Yes. This.
Yeah, there you go.
Now, here we. Slap it in. Snap it in.
Snap.
Snap. Thank you. One at a time,
One at a time, okay.
Thank you. You don't listen.
I can't, I'm so anxious. Yeah. I think you have to put that now in.
What I say? Did I say sit?
It actually goes this way because this is the. So. first.
Actually, the same color. Yeah.
You think so? You think it would go with the? Well, it kind of matches the house, the door. It literally matches our house. But the color of the nursery, it's like literally white and just natural color. So I think it would probably fit there. And it's animal themed as well. You look so cute booting something. Hey, you better be a whole dad, bro. I can't. Manny's about to be a dad. You about to be a dad, man? Oh my God. Your blood. You have a bloodline. A legacy now. Someone that's going to idolize you and be their hero. That's a lot to hold. It's a lot to live up to. You got this, babe. No, you put that in first. It goes together here. Look, the hole. There's a hole here. It is, it's a snap. Oh, that's what the screw is for. So to secure the baby. I know I wasn't crazy. Yeah. Look at that big huge thing right there. It goes in here.
That's that. All right, so.
See, look, that's where you need a woman, because you already know.
Ah, you're using your partner. See that? That's all it is.
Oh, I'm your partner for life, homie. Home skilly biscuit.
Help me, Lord. My partner right here. What's up, man? 25. Talk about.
Aww.
Sit. Okay, sit. You extra now.
But I didn't tell you to do that. How'd you know that?
I didn't know how to do
No, you didn't. Just figure it out.
I didn't know how to do it.
You did not.
So you go.
All right, give me here. Give me the screw.
First of all, wait. He gonna try to. He gonna put the
Who
screw
is
in.
he?
You don't even know what a screw at.
Who is he?
I saw he with the baby. That's a boy, right? That's a boy.
Or girl, I don't know. Sometimes babies look like either or.
All right, so we got it. Now, wait.
No, you gotta put that under, babe.
Time out.
Yeah,
time
let's
out,
put
time
that
out,
first,
time
because
out,
that
time out.
sinks
We
in.
don't know yet. Wait, chill. Okay, got it. I see it now. We in there. All right.
The straps go on here.
We see it. All right, so I figured it out with the help. Like I did like 70%, and she did like, I did like 75. She did a 25. I'll give her 25.
I think you did 70 and I did 30. I did click that together.
25%.
And I clicked this right here.
25%.
And I also figured out this went here. And
okay,
I
now
snapped
I'm
it
about
in.
to figure out the rest because I know the rest.
I figured that out. I told you that was something here.
It's on camera, obviously.
Okay.
Alright, so these right here, they screw right here.
So what do you want me to screw in right now?
Nah. You just screw this. Wait, which side is that on? Like, is it this way?
No, it's facing this way. Look at that little oval.
Okay, I can't see it.
You can put that in as well and just hold it. So that way it's secured in. Right, okay, there we go.
Yours kind of crooked.
It is?
I'm trying to screw it to you.
I'm screwing it in. Do you think it would be easier to snap this already in place? To snap this. How do this adhere here? Adhere it.
What?
No, babe, before you do that, adhere this part first so it can already be standing up.
What the what?
You know what adhere means?
I didn't even, that's a word? I thought you were trying to say something. It's like, what?
Help me, please, I need some food.
Are you saying adhere or what?
Adhere, like adhesive, it means to adhere, to put together, to.
Why are you trying to sound smart right now? Just say stick. I didn't hear say what you were saying.
Do you want to attach? Do you want to assemble this part so we can screw it in and it's already in place? Yes or no?
No, I know you read a dictionary. Right? Why you didn't say that? Like, I'm like, what are you saying? Adhere? Like, adhere? Like, I thought you were saying here or something.
You said what the what?
She caught me off guard with that.
No, come on. Do you want to adhere it or not?
You still saying it. It was like no point.
Our child is going to know adhere before attach. Okay? Thank you. High five to my face. Thank you. Look at him. He thinks we're arguing. We're just having a creative discussion.
Okay,
it's okay, Bryson.
Notice he's right here without me holding him.
That baby was sitting there already.
Just notice.
Bryson, it's okay. We're just talking.
She's vicious. Like, you know how.
Oh, turn up the camera. Stop playing.
If you can figure it out, if you boost yourself to like 40%.
Alright, say less. Oh, there is no attachment. It's just you screw it in and it will popped up already because it's going to be screwed in. There's no attachments. Come on. You get what I mean? It's going to be hold sturdy in place anyway because it's going to be screwed in.
Screwed in where? I mean, I understand it need to be screwed, but where?
Yeah, these two are. I see the little ridges right here in the hole.
Yeah, I see it now. I thought it was a screw in there. I see it right there, but I honestly thought
it's cool. I took that. I took the 40.
She took it though. I gave it to her.
All right, cool.
We got it. Even though I said it right there, but you know. But I give her that 40.
Okay, man, give me that 40. Oh no, it's the other way. Let me do this side first. So you can tell me where the hole is.
Right there.
Here?
Right around there.
I can't see. If I was facing this way, I can see. You're facing the opposite direction. Alright, so we're at 50-50 right now.
Nah.
You messed up with the information of the hole.
No, you put it there.
I asked you to line it up for me. You said I was good.
No, it was the second one.
No, it was both of them. I said hold it. And then you walked away when you went to wherever you went.
Screw. Thank you.
You gonna use that for the assembly for the crib and all that? Update on baby bump.
I'm good.
Where's the baby bump? It's there a little bit, right? See guys, it's there. It kind of expands at nighttime and then it goes back to being kind of flat in the morning, but it does get bigger at night, I guess. I don't know when food gets in the stomach, but yeah. Are you okay?
You good?
This is not for you, this is for Bryson. Just wanted to love you. Hey, baby.
The camera for you.
I don't know why. Hey, look. Yeah. Hey, come on. Yeah.
Alright, so we just fixed this.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? You can
Well, we assembled it. We didn't fix it. I mean, we did fix the problem.
There she go acting smart. We assembled it now. Alright, we assembled it.
And here's what it looks like.
The final touches.
And I'm like here reading my book to my baby. Wow, like the baby just swings like love you. I can't wait.
And I'm at the gym.
No, what? I can't wait for you to, you're gonna be in the nursery chair, nursing the baby.